Hi, it's Porrick here from Horkins. Well, we've got a smashing deal on our Bella range of greenhouses here at Horkins. Bella greenhouses for me are one of the very best. They're very strong and very durable. They've got aluminium frames and bars, reinforced bars. So aluminium doesn't rust. It's easy to maintain, but it's very, very strong. And it's also got a polycarbonated, unbreakable covering. The polycarbonate is really strong, it's really tough, it's curved to allow any snow or any heavy rain drip away really quickly, and it's also got high wind tolerance as well, so suitable for gardens here in the west of Ireland. This is the typical 8 by 8 size, and here at Horkins, when you buy an 8 by 8 Bella greenhouse, we will give you an extension, an 8 by 4 extension at 50% discount, and that will give you an overall greenhouse of 8 foot by 12 foot, suitable for growing a wide range of fruits and vegetables, great for raising young seedlings, for growing your own potatoes, your own tomatoes, and your hanging baskets and window boxes. So remember, our Bella greenhouse spring offer is available over the next couple of weeks. Drop into any of our centres in Sligo, Galway and Castlebar, talk to the team, and they'll tell you all about the fantastic offer we've here on our Bella greenhouses for the spring period.